Such a hurry, Mr. Smith. Where are you going?
Where are you?
You don't need to know that. There's no one watching.
What do you want?
You know what I want, Mr. Smith.
I thought I was already done.
You have 2 days to get it to me, and we know what happens. You think we wouldn't find out, Mr. Smith? Get me what I want or else.
I don't understand.
You leave me no choice, Mr. Smith.
Huh? Alex? No, 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 please, 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 please.